everybody, welcome to my video today. I am playing with my friend and they are playing with me in Roblox Rivals. And we are in shooting range, 1v1ing in a private. So we can... Are you really using flamethrower? That sounds like flamethrower.
It is flamethrower. Subscribers, hi, ID 5050.
I shot you through the wall? Wait, what? No, you are a flamethrower spammer. Bro, why are you a flamethrower spammer? Holy, there we go. God, I'm spamming. But everybody in this video, like and subscribe if I kill him. I need to get viewers, so I need to... You guys better like and subscribe. Guys, like and subscribe in this video. And I think if I say like and subscribe, the like and subscribe will turn rainbow. So if you guys like and subscribe, you'll be lucky for the rest of your life. And guys, my video stops automatically. I probably don't have enough storage. I'm just telling you both. This man really using this kid really. Oh, I'm killing you with sniper now, boy. I'm killing you with sniper now, boy. You really want to try me? Alright, you can try me, you can try me.
Grab. Didn't kill me with that just like that, bro.
I'm gonna kill you with sniper right now. Get killed.
But Jason, you have aimbot, bro.
I do not have aimbot. I'm just good with energy pistols and sniper. Oh my god. How did I just do that to my weapon? My weapon just respawned. Spammer.
Ow.
Then just don't use. There we go. Finally.
Jackson, why wouldn't you?
Ow! Well, let's play someone else now. Alright, you know what? But everybody, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe if you guys want to be lucky for the rest of your life.